difference measures? What difference? What difference measures did he follow to extend his kingdom? Or evaluate Samudragupta as an empire builder? Or evaluate Samudragupta as an empire builder? You face any problem of my students? Anyone face any problem in the class? Next important questions. Question number 3. Next important questions. Question number 3. Critically discuss the nature. Critically discuss the nature and characteristics of the administrative system of the Gupta period. Critically discuss the nature and the administrative system of the Gupta period. Next questions. Questions number 4. What led to downfall? What led led to downfall of the Gupta Empire? Next questions. Discuss the cultural achievements. Discuss the cultural achievements of the Guptas. Discuss the cultural achievements of the Guptas with special reference with special reference to literature, architecture, sculpture, 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 and paintings. Discuss the cultural achievements of Guptas with special reference to literature, architecture, sculpture, and painting. Or same questions, different language. Or why is The Gupta period. Why is the Gupta period? Why is the Gupta period regarded? As the classical age of Indian history? Next questions. What was the nature and role of the local association? What was the nature and role of the local associations in the Pallab and South Indian polity? In the Pallabs and South Indian polity. Discuss critically. Next questions. Discuss critically the debate. Discuss critically the debate on the origins of Rajputs. Discuss critically the debate on the origins of Rajput. Next questions. Critically examine the importance of land. Critically examine the importance of land in the early medieval period. Next, comment on the role of women. Comment of the role. Comment on the role of women in early medieval period. Comment on the role.
Yes.
Comment on the role of women in early medieval period. Ankit, have you any
Sir.
questions? Hi,
No,
Ankit.
sir. No, sir.
Okay. Okay, continue. Discuss briefly. Next questions. Discuss briefly the distinction. Distinction. Distinction of Rashtrakoot Empire. Next, comment on the nature of social transformation. Comment. Comment on the nature of social transformation during the early medieval period. Critically analyze. Next questions. Critically analyze the proliferation of the caste in early medieval India. Next, briefly discuss about Indian feudalism debate. Comment briefly on the regionalization. Comment briefly on the regionalization of political power in early medieval India. Comment briefly on the regionalization of political power in early medieval India. Write an essay on Pallab art and architecture. Write an essay on Pallab art and architecture. Next, critically examine the achievements. Critically examine the achievements of Harshavardhan. Next, briefly narrate the the invention the invention of Muhammad Ghadi in North India. What were its socio-political implications? What were its socio-political implications? Next, give an account of the local give an account of the local self-government under the Cholas. Cholas. Under the Cholas. Continue the same questions. How does it reflect? How does it reflect it on the nature of Chola state? What number of questions I write? Anyone? Student? Hello? Hello, student? The last questions. Give an account of the local self-government self-government under the Cholas. Same questions continue. How does it reflect? How does it reflect on the nature of the Chola state? What number of questions I gave? Hello, students. Reply. Hello. Anyone? Anyone can reply. What number of questions already I gave? Now I start about Gupta Empire. Now I discuss the brief history of Gupta Empire. Sri Gupta and his son Ghatotkacha Gupta were nominated, assuming the simple title of Maharaja. And as it is not now definedly where those Gupta king ruled and where they owed alliance to permanent sovereign. It is better to leave undecided the status of the first two Gupta king. The famous Gupta kings were Samudragupta, Chandragupta II. About Chandragupta, the third ruler Chandragupta I, the son of successor of Ghatotkacha Gupta, was definitely a strong ruler whose hands were sought by the Lichavis who gave their princess Kumari in marriage to him. Obscure Guptas. The Lichavi territory of North Bihar and adjoining princely over which the Gupta ruled were united under Chandragupta and later was able to extend his dominion over Chandragupta I was succeeded by his son Samudragupta, who became the ruler after subduing it is certain that The campaigns in the Aryabhatta undertaken his purpose of the examination of their king generally precedes the subjugation of adjoining territories. Conquest. Harrison, an important official of the state, had composed 33 lines which were on the pillar. The inscription mentions that this caused joy among the countries and heartburning among those of equal birth. I can be pres- presumed that other princes might have put forward their contending claim, which were put to rest by his declaration. Further, the discovery of some gold coins bearing the name of Kocho had generated a controversy relating to his. I summarize about गुप्त एम्पायर कुषाण कुषाण टाइम्स के बाद इंडिया में जो पॉलिटिकल कंडीशन थे उसके बाद गुप्ता ने अपने राज कायम किया. The founder of Gupta Empire was Sri Gupta and Maharaja Ghatotkacha and after Maharaja Dhiraj Chandragupta first. The real glory was started from the time of Chandragupta first. उन्होंने मगध का जो उसके ऊपर अपना राज कायम किया एंड उसके बाद से गुप्ताब्दो सम्राट थे उनका नाम समुद्रगुप्त. He was extraordinary और जो चाइनीज डॉक्यूमेंट्स थे वो सब बहुत सारे इंफॉर्मेशन हम लोगों को दे रहा। फॉर द एक्सपेंशन एंड कंसोलिडेशन ऑफ द गुप्त साम्राज्य जय करने के लिए और अपने राज को बढ़ाने के लिए समुद्रगुप्तों ने जो पॉलिसी एडॉप्ट किया, दिस इनिशिएटेड अ प्रोसेस ऑफ culminated in the formation of the Gupta Empire. However, we have to take note here of the fact that in certain regions, particularly in South India, he led the kings whom he had defeated and effective control. Hence, beginning about the stability of the time began, let us briefly discuss the aggressive campaign taken by Samudragupta in various regions. We may mention again that we come to know about all the campaigns of Samudragupta only from one record. Campaign in Arjabat. Some historians are of view that Samudragupta carried his assume that mention the conquest of the Samudragupta in chronological order have opened that there are two campaigns in North India. This is because of Prasasti first mentioned there. Arjavata king, then it goes regarding those conquests or regarding the identity of the specified regional over which they ruled. However, historians have identified Achyuta as ruling Nagsen over Gwalior area. Campaign next. Let us however, again, there are differences among historians as to specify identifications of these kings and their kingdoms. The Prasasti further say that the Samudragupta reduced all states in foreign regions to position of servant. In another category are mentioned that the frontier kingdoms like Somatot in South Bengal, Kamrup in Assam, Nepal, now in Nepal, and other, and the republican states of Malov, Madrakas, Avirus, its daughters in marriage and a request for administration of their own districts and provinces. This means that they remained independent, but their independence had to be approved by Samudragupta. In his category, so in the category were included other foreign rulers, northwestern India, like the later Kusans and the Sak chief, and residents of different island countries, including Simla or Sri Lanka. Many of the composers are highly exaggerated, but many of the claims are also genuine. 130 डिस्कस करने के लिए उसके बाद जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस उसके बाद जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस होता यहाँ से आपका फाइनल एग्जाम में आएगा, उस क्वेश्चंस मैंने इंग्लिश में लिखा दिया और मैंने ट्राई किया गुप्ता एम्पायर और गुप्ता साम्राज्य के बारे में थोड़ा हाईलाइट करने के लिए। पहले जो गुप्ता आफ्टर मौर्य के बाद, मौर्य एम्पायर के बाद इन एंशिएंट इंडिया, प्राचीन भारत में जो सार्वत्रिक रूप से भास्ट एम्पायर वो गुप्तों के क्रेडिट है। बहुत सारे गुप्त एम्पायर थे, लेकिन चंद्रगुप्त फास्ट, समुद्रगुप्त, स्कंदगुप्त, बुद्धगुप्त उन्होंने फेमस थे। और गुप्त एम्पायर जो इंडिया में उन लोगों के इतना सारे अचीवमेंट है, या तो लिटरेचर में, या तो साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी में, आर्ट एंड आर्किटेक्चर में। और समुद्रगुप्त उन्होंने कोशिश किया जो जो क्वेश्चंस मैंने लिखाया, हर क्वेश्चंस का आंसर आप लोगों के पास जो स्टडी मटेरियल्स है वहां मिल जाएगा। नहीं मिले तो बाद में बताना, मैं बता दूंगा कहां से कहां आंसर होगा। और कल क्लास होगा 7 बजे से 8 बजे तक, मैकौसिक करेंगे और एक टॉपिक और पूरा सिलेबस जो है उसके बारे में डिस्कस करने के लिए। आज आधा टाइम चला गया क्वेश्चंस लिखाने के लिए, तो कल पहले से आप लोग तुरंत ज्वाइन हो जाएगा। उसके बाद मैं एक और दो इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक पूरा सिलेबस से डिस्कस करेंगे, और उसके बाद फिर आपका कोई इंक्वायरी क्वेश्चंस है तो बताए, मैं कोशिश करेंगे उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए। ठीक है, आप लोगों को कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा इंग्लिश में, मैं कोशिश करेंगे इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों लैंग्वेज में डिस्कस करने के लिए। आज कितना स्टूडेंट है क्लास में? आकाश चौहान, अनिकेत सिंह, वी सेताब, म्यूजिक वर्ल्ड। आपका नाम क्या है? हेलो, हेलो। ठीक है, आज का क्लास यहाँ पर शेष हो रहा। कल फिर क्लास होगा 7 बजे से। ऑल आर गुड नाइट, टेक केयर। द सिचुएशन इज वेरी टफ,
थैंक यू सर।
द कोविड एंड द अपकमिंग यस, दोनों मिलकर बहुत हम लोगों को क्योर थकना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, सब सावधान से रहिए, अपना अपना ख्याल रखिए। ठीक है,
ठीक है सर।
ओके, गुड नाइट।
गुड नाइट सर।
Good night, sir.